This is Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. This is chart analysis for the week of November the 6th, 2011. We're taking a look here at the first chart, which is the QQQ daily chart. And as we've been talking about, we still see the market having trouble breaking above this area here as far as the price is concerned. So until the market can break out above that level here, if the market can push higher, then maybe we can say that the market has changed its directional push. But for now, I think the market still remains to prove itself on whether it can continue moving higher. In fact, when you look at the daily, you'll see that the market has been hitting this RSI resistance line here, this line that you see on the top here. It's been hitting it right there. The market can't seem to move above that. So right now I'm gonna default to the week being a big up week or a big down week, with my bias being that the market is probably going to be lower. Now we might have the scenario where we have at some point in the week the market has a big week, or what seems like a big week, or at some point the market is going to have a move that's going to seem like the market is going to have a big down week. In other words, where the chart settled out for the week, Friday the November the 4th, it seems like there is going to be a big move coming up in this market one way or the other. I'm currently leaning to the market moving lower, and this video is going to try and explain to you why. Let's take a look at the Dow here. Now you'll see that what the Dow has done, we can appreciate that once it broke down here in price, which corresponds to this line that connects to the lows of 2009 and the lows of last summer. Draw a straight line. Once we broke down here, we went and came fresh 52-week lows here, and then we've worked our way back to this area here, and as of last week we closed somewhere there, and we can't seem to move above that as of right now. So this now becomes a store point in the market, which is as high as it has gone on a weekly closing basis, and now we seem to be pulling back. Also notice that as far as the RSI is concerned on the weekly chart, you're going to find this to be the setup on most of your charts, local and both international charts. You'll see that if you draw a straight line on the RSI connecting the highs, you'll see that the market stalled exactly on cue where you'd expect it to have a resistance. So the market pulling back on the first week of November is not to be a surprise, because this is where an area where you'd expect to be some natural resistance. Now again, this S&P 500. Now let me bring back the Dow chart here. Yes, notice where the Dow closed at after the first trading week. The RSI closed at about 53.66. So that opens the possibility of a move lower in the Dow, which might be good for a big down week whenever that happens. So let's watch for that, and that's why I think the market might be looking to move lower in the coming week, based on where the RSI on the weekly charts closed at. This S&P 500, again, same scenario as the Dow. We broke down here, right there. Once we broke down, market's been in funk. Now we've worked our way back and banging heads with that level there, and so far we are moving low. We haven't been able to successfully move above that. So that to me tells me that this market still continues to be under pressure.